Use coupons on Sugargoo. This is pretty simple. First, go to the Sugargoo website and log into your account. Now, after logging into your account, you simply have to select any of the product that you want to buy and add that product into your cart. You simply have to take this product to the end section where you are just one click away to place the order. So after doing all of these things, what you have to do is simply have to click on your profile. Now after clicking on your profile, you will see this profile section. Here you have to scroll down until you see this my coupon section. Now here you have to tap on that. Now there you go. These were all the coupons that I can use now. Suppose I want to use this one. So you just have to click on use and it will automatically take you to your orders which have not placed. So it will also contain your placed or not placed order. You just have to click the right one. According to you, there you go, your coupon will be applied. So that's pretty much, that's how you guys can do it. That's all.